metabolism and put your body into full fat-burning mode for the rest of the day, allowing you to enjoy all of your favorite foods totally guilt-free. Knowing you're still automatically and effortlessly losing weight and incinerating your most stubborn fat pockets from your hips, butt, belly, back, underarms, and thighs. And what if your favorite tea could also deliver you calm, smooth energy without any crash, all while dramatically enhancing your health and immunity, mood and feeling of well-being, focus and cognitive function, your digestion, and on top of all of that, imagine if every sip of tea you enjoy automatically helped whiten your teeth instead of staining them. Wouldn't that be incredible? Well, when you consider the latest breakthrough, peer-reviewed studies on metabolism from the most well-respected universities and research departments on the planet, or if you ask any of the countless thousands of everyday women and men of all ages, from all walks of life, who have found